Welcome back to a Clan a Day podcast brought to you by bagtownclans.com. I'm your host, Colin MacDonald, and today we're exploring the remarkable history of Clan Livingstone, also known as Clan MacLea, a name rich in both Lowland and Highland traditions, from the baronies of Callendar to the sacred Isle of Lismore. With connections to royal guardianship, ancient Gaelic chieftains, and medical lore, the Livingstones are a fascinating blend of Norman, Saxon, and Gaelic heritage. The name Livingstone originates in the lowlands from the lands of Livingston in West Lothian. Its earliest progenitor was a Saxon named Leving, who came to Scotland during the reign of King Edgar in the late 11th century. Leving's grandson, Thorstanus, first assumed the name Livingston, cementing the family's legacy. The Lowland branch rose to prominence when Sir William Livingston acquired the barony of Callendar in Stirlingshire through marriage to its heiress. This acquisition marked the beginning of a storied dynasty that would play a significant role in Scottish history. The Highland Livingstones, in contrast, trace their lineage to the Gaelic Mac and Léigh, meaning son of the physician, or Macdún Sleiby, son of Don Slaby. Centred on Lismore, this branch served as hereditary keepers of the crozier of Saint Moluag, a role that connected them deeply to Scotland's early Christian traditions. This dual heritage intertwines the Gaelic clan society of the Highlands with the feudal structures of lowland Scotland, making the Livingstones a unique and fascinating clan. From the Callendar branch descended several influential families. Sir James Livingston of Callendar was created Lord Livingston in 1458. His descendants were closely tied to the royal house, most notably William, the fourth Lord Livingston, who was entrusted with the guardianship of Mary, Queen of Scots, during her childhood. After the Battle of Pinkie in 1547, he ensured her safety by escorting her to Inchmahome Priory. Later, Alexander Livingston, the seventh Lord, was elevated to the earldom of Linlithgow in 1600. However, the family's fortunes waned after the 1715 Jacobite Rising, when the fifth Earl of Linlithgow, James Livingston, lost his titles for supporting the Jacobite cause. Meanwhile, the Highland branch of the clan, the MacLeas, or Livingstones of Lismore, followed a different path. The MacLeas were historically associated with Saint Moluag, a 6th century missionary who evangelized the Picts. The clan became hereditary keepers of the great staff of Saint Moluag, a sacred relic symbolizing their authority on Lismore. The MacLeas adopted the name Livingstone in the 17th century, likely during the time James Livingston of Skirling held lands on Lismore. This adoption united the Lowland and Highland traditions under a shared name, blending their histories into a single identity. The Livingstones were no strangers to conflict. Sir William Livingston fought at the Battle of Durham in 1346 and later negotiated King David's ransom. In the Highlands, the MacLeas fought in local feuds and clan battles such as the Battle of Bealach na Broige, where their forces were nearly annihilated. During the 1745 Jacobite Rising, Donald Livingstone of Morvern gained fame for saving the Appin Banner during the Battle of Culloden, a symbol of Highland resilience and loyalty. Beyond their martial exploits, the Livingstones made significant contributions to Scotland's cultural and political life. Sir Alexander Livingston of Callendar played a crucial role during the minority of King James II, guiding Scotland through a turbulent period. In the realm of religion, John Livingston, a 17th century Presbyterian minister, left a profound impact. His sermons were instrumental in the 1630 revival at the Kirk of Shotts, an event that shaped Scottish spiritual history. Today, the legacy of Clan Livingstone is preserved through the Clan MacLea Livingstone Society and the current chief, the much honourable Niall Livingstone of Bachwheel. Based on the Isle of Lismore, the chief continues to uphold the clan's ancient traditions, including the guardianship of the great staff of Saint Moluag. The clan's tartans and motto, Connacht Ein Gael, Hill of Fire, reflect their enduring pride and historical significance. Whether descended from the Saxon knight Leving or the Gaelic chieftain Don Léigh, the Livingstones embody a unique fusion of Lowland feudalism and Highland clan culture. Their story is one of resilience, loyalty, and an enduring connection to Scotland's past. Thank you for joining us on today's journey through the history of Clan Livingstone. Be sure to tune in tomorrow for another episode of A Clan a Day podcast. I'm Colin MacDonald, and as always, go in Éirí and Bothar Leat.